Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year to all of you. I hope you guys had a great New Year's and a great holiday season. But we are in 2020 now, so today what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be installing a new wing on my Mustang. So I always switch up the wings for some odd reason, and this time I wound up with the original Shelby GT350 performance pack or track pack wing, and I'm gonna be installing that today. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do it. Wing that I have on currently is just a regular premium package GT wing, very thin. I like it. I really do like it, and it's a good piece to have just in case you sell the car or something like that. So I'm gonna be changing that right now. I'm gonna go get the right tool, and then I'll show you guys how I do it. Tools wise, this is all you're gonna need: a ratchet with a 10mm deep socket, one of these pin removers, plastic pin removers, double-sided tape, and a blade. So excuse the mess in here, but we're gonna take this out, this whole panel off, this, and then the screws are in there, the bolts, I'm sorry, the nuts, and the plastic pin removers to remove these.
Also directed mostly towards ODB. I know Praz and the Fugees do things for the community, but what is going to be your thing for the community?
Alright guys, so we took out the panel. As you can see now, we have this one we're gonna take out, this one, remove this cap just like this, that one, and that one. Let's take those out.
Chance to come on, I do the rock away. Oh, come on, I lean back, hey, lean back, hey, lean back, hey.
You gotta pry it off a little bit. There we go. I think I do have double-sided tape on some of it. There we go.
It's so important to this go. What do I desire?
Now we gotta clean this area up a little bit. Alright guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the new wing and show you guys the wing. It's wrapped in a blanket, so let me take it out. It's a used OEM Ford GT350 wing. Let's waste no time and throw it on. There it is, guys. Oh my god, bro. Look at that thing, dude. OEM fucking wing, bro. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's wrap this up. Let's put the rest of it on. Yeah, that's it, guys. There it is. It looks amazing, dude. So I winded up not putting 3M tape on it because it already had some adhesive tape-ish type of stuff from the previous car it was on. So I'm gonna just let it do that, let it settle with that one without using this one. Oh my god, I can't get over this fucking look. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. This wraps us up. I'm out of here. I'm on my way to Knott's Berry Farm. You guys have a blessed day and a blessed week and a happy new year, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in again.